Welcome back to Motivation Pulse, the channel that powers you up and fuels your dreams. I'm your host, Exon, and today we have an incredible story that will inspire you to reach for the stars. We're going to take a deep dive into the journey of a self-made millionaire from zero to hero. But before we jump into this extraordinary tale, I want to share something mind-blowing with you that will make you stay till the end. Are you ready? Imagine this. A young person, just like you, struggling to make ends meet. They face hardships, setbacks, and countless obstacles, but deep down, they have a burning desire for success. They dream of financial freedom, of living life on their own terms, and against all odds, they embark on a journey that will change their life forever. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets of their transformation, the steps they took, and the mindset they embraced. Get ready for an awe-inspiring ride from zero to hero. All right, let's dive into the incredible journey of this self-made millionaire. Chapter 1. The Spark. Every remarkable journey begins with a spark, a moment of clarity, and a burning desire for change. Our self-made millionaire had a vision of a life filled with abundance, success, and purpose. It was this vision that ignited the fire within them, propelling them towards their dreams. Chapter 2. The Foundation. Building a solid foundation is crucial on the path to success. Our hero knew that education and skills were the keys to unlock the doors of opportunity. They invested in themselves, acquiring knowledge, honing their skills, and gaining expertise in their chosen field. They laid the groundwork for their future success. Chapter 3. The Hustle. Success rarely comes without hard work and perseverance. Our self-made millionaire knew the value of hustle. They put in the hours, hustling day and night, working towards their goals relentlessly. They embraced the grind, knowing that every step forward brought them closer to their dreams. Chapter 4. The Mindset. A millionaire mindset is the catalyst for success. Our hero understood the power of positive thinking and self-belief. They cultivated an unshakable confidence in their abilities, banishing self-doubt and replacing it with unwavering faith. They transformed their mindset from scarcity to abundance, from limitations to possibilities. Chapter 5. The Risks. To achieve extraordinary results, one must be willing to take risks. Our self-made millionaire embraced calculated risks, stepping outside their comfort zone and venturing into the unknown. They knew that greatness lies beyond familiarity, and that taking risks was an essential part of their journey. Chapter 6. The Failures. Failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone to success. Our hero encountered setbacks and failures along the way, but instead of being discouraged, they saw each failure as a valuable lesson. They learned from their mistakes, adjusted their course, and persevered. Failure became their fuel for growth. Chapter 7. The Breakthrough. After years of hard work, dedication, and resilience, our self-made millionaire experienced their breakthrough moment. Their efforts finally paid off, and success started pouring in. From that point forward, they soared to new heights, achieving milestones beyond their wildest dreams. Chapter 8. The Legacy. Our hero's journey didn't end with personal success. They wanted to leave a lasting impact, to inspire others to chase their dreams. They became a mentor, sharing their knowledge and experiences with aspiring entrepreneurs. They dedicated themselves to creating a positive change in the world, leaving behind a legacy that would be remembered for generations. And there you have it, the incredible journey of a self-made millionaire from zero to hero. This story is a testament to the power of dreams, hard work, and unwavering determination. Remember, you have the potential to create your own success story. Believe in yourself, lay the foundation, hustle relentlessly, embrace risks, learn from failures, and never give up. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with others who need a dose of motivation. And as always, stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep pulsing with motivation. Thank you for watching today's video on Motivation Pulse. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest motivational content. Remember, you have the power to turn your life around and become the hero of your own story. Till next time, keep striving for greatness.